his work. We all are fan of what he has done for Gujarati community as a whole. How is this your first Gujarati film, if I may ask?
Not really, actually. Jai Shri Krishna, everybody. I'm also Gujarati and I've done some work in Gujarati film before, almost 2 decades now. But વર્ષો પછી ભૌમિક અને જિનલ મને અહીંયા પાછા લઈ આવ્યા અમદાવાદ, and I'm very excited and looking forward for Get Set Go. This is going to be an interesting film. બહુ વર્ષો પછી આવી સારી ગુજરાતી સ્ક્રિપ્ટ મને મળી. Although being a Gujarati, મને પહેલાં પણ ઘણા લોકોએ ઓફર કર્યું હતું, but I got very excited with what these people have done. I think it's a very, very contemporary film, and I'm sure this will definitely be a very, very good changeover for Gujarati cinema. Looking forward.